Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Street View on Google Maps Mobile. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your mobile device. Next, choose the location you want to explore by navigating the map. You can zoom out to get a broader view of the area and then zoom in to pinpoint the exact location. Once you have found the spot you're interested in, tap on it to select it. Alternatively, you can use the search function to find a specific location. After selecting the location, tap on Directions to proceed. Then, you will see a small picture icon representing Street View. Tap on this icon to enter Street View mode. Now you are in Street View. You can move around by swiping your finger across the screen or by using the on-screen navigation arrows. Explore the area by moving the view in different directions to get a feel for the surroundings. You can also check out the latest photos uploaded by other users. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.